Getting Monopoly Go on your Android device is a straightforward process. Here's a breakdown of how to do it. Number one is using the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your phone, locate and tap the Google Play Store icon on your Android device. Search for Monopoly Go. Use the search bar at the top of the Play Store to type in Monopoly Go and then tap the search button. Select Monopoly Go. Find Monopoly Go by Scopely in the search results and tap on it. Next is installing the game. Tap the install button. The game will begin downloading and installing on your device. Lastly, play the game. Once the installation is complete, you can tap the play button to start playing. You'll also find the Monopoly Go icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. Here are some important notes. Ensure your Android device meets the minimum system requirements for the game. You'll need a stable internet connection to download and play Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go is a free to play game, but it does offer in app purchases.